Good afternoon. What we're going to be doing today is called Introduction to Polynomials. Some vocabulary words. We have monomial, which is a number or product of numbers and variables with a whole number exponents. Polynomial is a monomial or a sum of difference monomials. And the degree of a monomial is the sum of the exponents of the variables. So these are all monomials. So therefore, we have x to the fourth, so the degree is 4. For the next one, we have 4 times a times b to the third. This is another monomial, and this will be degree 4. And the last one is also monomial, and we have 3, 4, and 1. So 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 1 is 8. And this is a monomial. There are different ways that we can classify polynomials. We can classify polynomials according to its degree, which you just have to remember that is the exponent. And here are some examples. We have a constant. We have a linear. You notice that the degree or the power is 1. You have a quadratic. You see that the power is 2. You have a cubic, and you know that the power is 3. Quartic, the power is 4. That's going to be the degree of the polynomial. And then quintic, the degree is 5. So if we look at example 2, we're going to rewrite each polynomial in standard form. And how do you do this? Well, you need to figure out, or you need to identify the highest exponent. In this case, it's 4x squared. The next highest is 2x, and it's minus 1. The 4, which is the first term, is the leading coefficient. And 2 is the degree. The number of terms, 1, 2, and 3, so that's going to be cubic. Oh, I'm sorry, not cubic. Trinomial. And since it's raised to the power 2, it's going to be a quadratic. If you notice in the next example, the highest exponent is x to the 5th. So we're going to start by writing x to the 5th first. The next highest is 7x to the 3rd. Now it does jump. It does, as you notice, you're missing the exponent 4. And you're also missing the exponent 2, so it's negative 11x minus 2. You can also write it like this. I'm going to show you up here. X to the 5th plus 0, x to the 4th plus 7x to the 3rd minus 11x minus 2. That's another way you can write it. The leading coefficient, which is this right here, is a 1. The degree, which is the highest exponent here, which is 5. The number of terms, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4. So this will be quartic.